7, the f of x equals x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x. Okay, how many zeros does this have? That's right, 4, because the highest degree is 4. So, what's the first step? We have to find 4 zeros. What's the first step? What do I do first? I'll give you a hint. Put it in a calculator. Yes, sir. I can't answer that because that would be, I would be. All right, so x raised to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x. Now, how many times am I going to have to synthetically divide this to get it down to a quadratic?
4 times. 3 times.
I'm starting at x to the 4th. I need to end up at x squared.
Oh, 3 times.
I'm starting at x to the 4th, and I need to get to x to the squared. 4 minus something equals 2. Twice. There you go. Twice. All right. So I put this in a calculator. I'm going to try to get some easy x-intercepts. So I'm going to hit graph. This is, well, it's a practice packet. Okay, it's this one. Homework. Last night. Actually, it's one of the odds. You were supposed to do the even. Okay, so we can easily get 2 x-intercepts here. Hopefully, we're going to check our chart to make sure that the y value is 0 and my x value happens to be x equals 0. What else? X equals 3. So I was very easily able to get 2 zeros from the graph. Now remember, I have to divide at least twice to get it down to a quadratic because I can easily factor a quadratic equation. Hey, are you guys going to listen to me? You got a quiz on Friday. Tomorrow. I gave it to you today. All right, so I'm going to synthetically divide. I'm going to use the first 0. My coefficients, 1, -3, +4, -12. Hey, what's my constant? That's right, 0. Okay, bring down. One times 0. 0 plus -3. -3. -3 times 0. 0 plus 4. Hey, what's going to be this one? And what's going to be that one? Good. Okay, so we divided by 1x. I went from x to the fourth. Here I'm going to have x to the third minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 12. Look familiar? We just took out an x from the original. Yes. Do you see what a dividing by 0 does? It eliminates one of the x's from each term, as well as the x to the fourth term. I'm glad you guys noticed that. All right, so I need to divide again by what? That's right, 5. No, 3. No, yeah, 3. No, 3. Okay, so I have a 1, a -3, a 4, and a -12. Bring down the 1. 1 times 3. 3 plus -3. 0 times 3. 0 plus 4. 4 times 3. 12 plus -12. Okay, so I'm switching pens and you still can't keep up? Yeah. Who said that?
So do I get that?
That's right. Teacher of the year. I'm teacher of the decade. Okay, 1xc 2 plus 0, x to the first plus 4. Now we can easily factor this, right? Right. How do we factor this? You slow down. I have x squared plus 4. Factor that. What are my factors? Huh? What are my factors? Huh? Nope. We went through this yesterday, didn't we? So what am I going to use? To watch a video? I'll invite you. That's right. We're going to use a quadratic formula. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Hey, what's my a? Somebody. Oh, they're playing Xbox. What's my A? 1. What's my B? 0. What's my C? Okay, so x equals -0 plus or minus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 4, all over 2 times A. Yes, we are. We're still looking for the 2 roots. The 2 roots. We're looking for the 2 u's. Okay. Shut up and do your work. All right, do the radical. Not 16. -16. What's the square root of 69? What's the square root of -16? 4i. Substitute 4i back into that. What? Because if it was bigger, it would really be a hard problem, and I don't think you guys can handle that. Okay, -0 is just 0, so I have a plus or minus. I'm substituting the discriminant with 4i. Don't forget we're dividing this by 2. Okay, what's my my two roots. I have positive 4i divided by 2, which equals positive 2i. And I have negative 4i divided by 2, which is a negative 2i. So here's my four roots. So I have x equals 0, x equals 3, x equals 2i, and x equals negative 2i. Here's my answer. Do you want me to do any of your homework problems that you struggled through last night? No, I'm not doing all of them. I just did one of them. Any questions, comments, concerns before we go on? In your note sheet, note packet. Anybody want to take a picture of this? Okay, so in your note packets, gentlemen, and I use that term. Okay, so we did fundamental theorem of algebra, right? What we did yesterday, one I just did of your homework examples. If you turn the page, notice it says it gives you the zeros, and you're supposed to come up with the polynomial. Hey, guys, seriously, quiet down. People in here that are trying to listen. Okay, number 5 in the note packet. Quiet. They give us zeros. They give us x equal 2, x equal 1, x equal 4. You should easily get the polynomial from this. Right? What's the factored form of x equal 2? X minus 2, right? It's opposite side. So this is going to be x minus 1. And then x minus 4. How do we get the polynomial? The product? Right? Multiply them all. Okay? X times x. X squared. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1. Positive 2. Oh, I'm sorry. There's a 1 there. Yeah. Okay, so outside, negative 1x. Inside, negative 2x. Okay? Then we're going to, yes, we're in the note packet. Then we still have to multiply it by x minus 4. Okay? So this simplifies to x squared minus 3x plus 2 times x minus 4. And what do we have to do with the x minus 4? Multiplied. We have to distribute the x. And we have to distribute the 4, right? Okay, distribute the x. We're just going to give every term another x. So I get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. And then I have to multiply everything by negative 4 for the second term. Negative 4 times x squared, negative 4x squared, negative 4 times negative 3x, positive 12x, and then negative 8. Combine your like terms. Negative 3x squared, negative 4x squared, plus 2x, minus 8. Okay, that's how you get a polynomial given the zeros. Because this will be, I think there's a question on your quiz. If you look at your review, I think there is one like this. I'm not going to do conjugates. Don't worry about 7 and 8.